Welcome to Michelle's Workshops for Advanced. Experience what lifelong learning helps us become. The Reading Workshop. Books, connecting skills. Listen and read, share language work. Speak, talk, get and give feedback, write. This workshop starts in October 2022. Pre-registration in April and May. Confirmation face-to-face or video interview in September 2022, and there will be a waiting list in case people who signed up changed their plans. First part of the workshop, reading aloud. We will use 3 books, Mary Poppins, a novella by PAMELA LYNDON TRAVERS. Here's the picture. This is my copy. And this is the website ESL Bits, where you can have access to the written text and to the audios, so you can train in reading aloud and then come to the workshop and do your best and get some feedback. Kissing the Witch, Old Tales in New Skins by DONOGHUE. This is a feminist retelling of traditional tales, and this is DONOGHUE. And you can get the audio from Audible, which is on Amazon, I think. But you can also listen to one of the stories, The Tale of the Voice, on the Talking People podcast. We Should All Be Feminists. An essay by CHIMAMANDA NGOZI ADICHIE. This essay is amazing, and we can read it in 2 hours together. You can train at home listening to the TED Talk she gave, We Should All Be Feminists, and get acquainted with Nigerian accent and learn to pronounce correctly because her English is beautiful. Here is a collage I made for my oral presentation on this author, which is one of my favorites. As you can see, I selected some quotes and then the picture of some of her books, a collection of short stories, novels, and essays she has written. In this article, which I got published in Andalucía Educa, I explain how we can use collage in oral presentations. And last, you can find a picture of a blog I created called Language Learning from Reading, where you can download language work that I did as examples for my students in the public system. And of course you will find some language work with Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie's work too. Now you can watch the video where I explain the second block, the book projects. You can visit my new website at talkingpeople.es, not .net, but .es. And if you feel like joining, you will be warmly welcome, and we will have lots of fun. See you in the second part of this video.